welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen. Today I have a Cricut mystery box, and this one is different because this is a mystery box for the Joy. This is the Tropical Fusion mystery box, specifically for the Joy. It has just come out today if you're watching this brand new video. So quickly run, don't walk. I've posted a link below. Get your affiliate box quickly and then come on back and we'll create something. But if you want to see what's inside, let's do it. So, lots of smart vinyl from Cricut Joy. This is the Tropical Fusion mystery box. So we have a super cute cutie in the color Dreamsicle. We'll look at her in a minute. Brand new color. We have a Cricut Joy insert cards, 15 cards, 3.5 by 4.9 inches. Lots of colors: Twilight, Tulip, Powder Blue, and then the inserts are Mustard, Party Pink, Khaki, and the envelopes are white. So there's all those colors are right there. Nice assortment. We have the Smart Vinyl Removable, and this is Tangerine. Just orange and orange. Some matte orange. I really like their matte vinyls. Smart Vinyl Permanent in gold. And the Smart Vinyl can actually be cut on your Joy without a mat. You can also cut it on the Cricut Joy Extra. You can cut it on any other cutting machine. Just use a mat. So it's pretty good. This is Color Clay. It's the Smart Iron-On. It's pretty. Great color. Then we've got the color Kiwi. Oh, that's a pretty color. Smart Iron-On. It's like a green sparkle. I like how they put little colors down here. Makes it easy. And then we have the color Coral. This is also a matte vinyl removable. So, in addition to that, we have glitter gel pens for the Cricut Joy. This can only be used on the Cricut Joy. You've got, they're different size. Neon pink, neon orange, and neon yellow. Could use them without a machine too, I know. A Joy Card Mat to help you use that card. And Smart Paper Sticker Cardstock in black. So the glitter gel pens, they may or may not show up on the black. I'm not sure. I know the opaque gel pens show up pretty well on black, but I don't think that these do. Let's try it out real quick. So the yellow probably won't, so let's try the pink or the orange. Excuse me. Yeah, it's showing pretty good in the picture, but I don't think it's going to show very well. Definitely doesn't show very well in real life. So let's see. Okay, so pink. So it's there, but the opaque would definitely be easier to see. Yeah, the orange you can't even see. I don't think you'll be able to see the yellow either. don't even know if the yellow's working. Oh, there we go. Yeah, nope. Do not use these on the black. But definitely use them on white, use them on cards, things like that. So let's see what color Dreamsicle is. Now I'm going to say it's an orange color. This Dreamsicle is orange, but I have no idea what she looks like. Is she matte? Is she like smooth or satin? Okay, she is matte. They're doing a lot of mattes lately, and I really like that. And it's orange. So there you have it. I'm not sure what I'm going to create yet, but stay tuned. After you get your box, come on back and let's create.